Subject Biology Class 9 Chapter #01 Short Questions and Answer. Write short answers for the following questions. Question number 1. How the understanding of physics can help the biologist? Answer. Understanding physics can aid biologists by providing insights into the fundamental physical principles governing biological processes, such as the mechanics of cellular motion, thermodynamics of metabolic reactions, and the behavior of biomolecules, helping them analyze and model biological systems. Question number 2. Which career would you like to adopt after studying biology, and why? Some examples of careers that biology can help prepare you for include doctor, nurse, physician's assistant, genetic counselor, conservation ecologist, environmental advocate, laboratory, or field researcher at a university or institute. Question number 3. Write the translation of any 3 verses of the Holy Quran related to the creation of mankind. Answer. 1. Surah Al-Mu'minun chapter 23, verse 12. And we certainly created man from an extract of clay. Double quotes to Surah Al-Sajdah chapter 32, verse 7. Allah, who perfected everything which he created and began the creation of man from clay. 3. Surah Al-Insan chapter 76, verse 2. Indeed, we created man from a sperm drop mixture that we may try him, and we made him hearing and seeing. Question number 4. Name few Muslim scientists and their contributions in the field of biology and medicine. Answer. 1. Ibn Sina Avicenna contributed to the field of medicine with his Canon of Medicine, a comprehensive medical encyclopedia. 2. Al-Razi Rhazes made significant advancements in medicine and is known for his works on various medical topics. 3. Ibn al-Haytham al-Hazan pioneered optics and made contributions to the understanding of vision and light, which have implications in biology. Etc. Question number 5. What level of organization is represented by Volvox? Answer. Volvox is a multicellular green alga that represents the colonial level of organization. It consists of numerous individual cells that work together in a coordinated manner to form a spherical, hollow colony. Each cell in the colony is similar in structure and function, and they cooperate for functions like photosynthesis and reproduction.